Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asriad and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Techniques. Today is our lecture 8 of Python programming course, and in this video I will teach you selection structure in Python. What is selection structure? There are total 3 types of programming structure. First one is sequential, in which a program is run line by line sequentially, and second structure is selection structure, in which we run our code on the basis of some condition, and third and last structure is loops, in which we use iteration to perform our task. If we want to repeat any task, then we use loops. In this video I will teach you selection structure that uses some condition to perform actions. In Python we use if elif and else statement. This is a flowchart to explain the selection structure. First we read a condition. If it is true, mean if, then we will go to yes side. If the condition is false, then we go to no side. Then our program will end. This is how to use selection structure in Python. We use if, elif and else statement in our Python programming. Elif is alternative of else if in other language. This is a syntax of if. We write if and write parentheses and write condition in these parentheses and write colon at the end and write some code here inside the if block. There must be a tab or indent for block of if code, and similarly for elif they should all the lines should be written in indent block, mean there must be a tab. Similarly for else, if the condition is 1 is true, then print s1 will be printed. Then it will check for elif statement, mean the second condition 2 will be checked. If condition 2 is true, then s2 will be printed on the screen. If both conditions are false, then else part is executed, which will print s3 on the screen. This is a diagram to understand if else structure. First we write our condition. If the condition is true, then we print value 1. If the condition is false, then we print value 2. We can write here some statement to perform some task in our code. In selection structure we use different type of condition operator, like a greater than b, smaller operator, a less than b, a double equal to b. This is equality operator. A not equal to b, or we use a not equal to b. This is, and last is a triple equal to b, which will return true if the data and the address is same for the variable, which means if the variable is checked by its own variable, then it will turn true. If there are two variables like a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2, and we run this if we run this statement, then it will turn false because a and b are two different variables. If we run for a triple equal to a, then it will return true. Hope you understand this. Triple equal to b last conditional operator. Now we will jump to examples of for if else structure. We will write three programs for understanding the if else structure in detail. Our first program is find a number is even or odd. As we know that even number is a number which can be divisible by 2. So we will divide our number with 2 and check our remainder. If the remainder is 0, then it will be even, otherwise odd. Similarly, we will find maximum of two numbers, which number is maximum, and at the end we write a program to find the student is pass or fail on the basis of their marks. A student is pass when marks greater than equal to 50, otherwise fail. Let's open our PyCharm and solve this problem. I already opened my PyCharm and I write a statement for our program. First we will write check a find a number is even or odd. I will use hardcode for this. I will store a is equal to 5 and we check if we will divide a with we will use mod operator for this and a mod 2 if it returns 0. As we know that modulus operator always return remainder. If we check its remainder is 0, then it will print even number. If this condition is false, then we will write else part, which means if we divide a mod by 2 is not equal to 0, then it will be equal to 1, which means the number is odd. Now we'll run our program and test it. As you can see, odd is printed because 5 is a odd number. Now we'll test it on 16. 16 is an even number and you can see a even number is printed. This is our even number. This print even number. Now we will check on 19. It worked perfectly, and because 19 is odd number, and we write our program successfully. Now we will write program for find maximum of two number. First I will declare two different variables, and for example 5 and 19, and I will print which one is maximum. First I will use greater than equal greater conditional operator for using this to finding maximum of two numbers. If a greater than b, which means a is larger, we will print here values, which is a, and we will write a is larger, else, which means if a greater than b, if this condition is true, which means b is greater or equal to a, and we will print b is greater, it is larger. For maximum we can write maximum. If we run our program, then we can check 19 is maximum. If I change values 5 to 55, then you can see now 55 is maximum. And if we write 919, then obviously 919 will be maximum. Now I will write a program to find student is pass or fail on the basis of their marks. First, I will store marks. For example, student marks are 60, and I will write if marks greater than equal to 50, then we will print pass, student is pass, else we will print student is fail. Let's run this program and check our output. As you can see, student marks are 60 and which is greater than equal to 50. So first part, if part will be executed, and if we change our marks from 60 to 40, then first condition will be false, and it will print fail. Student is fail. We can also check it on 30 or 39. Now you can see student is also fail. If we write 100, then student will be passed. You can see student is passed. We can also use if else if. For example, I can use of if, elif, and else. We will learn the use of if, elif, and else with example. For example, we will have a number which will store value from 1 to 3. A will only contain 1 to 3 values. I will write a number declared A and write some value A. A will only contain 1 to 3 value. If we check A is equal to 1, then we will print A. A is 1. Now we will write the elif part. The second condition, if A is equal to 2, print A is 2. Now we will write this is no, we cannot write condition with else part. Now we will write is 3, or we cannot. Now we can check, run our program. A is 1. If I change value 3, then we can check A is 3. We learned successfully selection structure with practical example. I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something new. Please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.